Are you tired of spending your mornings and evenings watering your garden, only to feel like you're always playing catch-up? Or maybe you worry about your plants drying out whenever you're away for a weekend or on vacation, unsure if they'll survive without constant attention. Now, imagine a garden that practically takes care of itself, watering your plants for weeks at a time so you can relax and enjoy the results. With a self-watering garden bed, this dream can become your reality. You don't need expensive gadgets or complicated irrigation systems, just a clever design you can build yourself. The secret lies in a hidden water reservoir beneath your soil. This reservoir slowly delivers moisture directly to your plant roots using capillary action, just like how a sponge soaks up water and releases it as needed. Your plants take exactly the amount of water they need when they need it. This means you avoid the common problems of overwatering, which can drown roots, or underwatering, which leaves plants stressed and wilted. Plus, because the water is delivered below the surface, leaves stay dry, helping to prevent diseases that thrive in damp conditions. You'll also use less water overall, since there's minimal evaporation. Nearly every drop you add goes straight to the roots, making your watering routine more efficient and saving you time, money, and effort in the long run. It's an eco-friendly, sustainable solution that's surprisingly easy to build at home, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener. So, are you ready to transform your garden, grow healthier plants, and enjoy more free time with less work? Let's dive in and see exactly how you can build your own self-watering garden bed step by step. Before you start building your self-watering garden bed, gather all your materials and tools. Getting organized now makes the process smoother. Most supplies are easy to find at your local hardware store or garden center. You'll need a deep container, like a raised bed kit, sturdy box, or large tote. Line it with a pond liner or heavy-duty plastic to hold water. Add a perforated drainage pipe at the bottom for the reservoir. Insert a PVC pipe as a fill tube for easy watering. Use moisture-retaining potting mix, not heavy garden soil. Gather basic tools like a utility knife, scissors, drill, and tape measure. With everything ready, you're set to build your self-watering garden bed. Choose a sunny spot for your raised bed. At least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight is ideal. Place your container there, making sure it's level and stable. Line the inside with a heavy-duty pond liner to protect the wood and keep water in. Coil a perforated drainage pipe at the bottom. This will act as your water reservoir. Insert a vertical PVC pipe as a fill tube, reaching from the bottom up above the soil. Drill an overflow hole and add a PVC elbow to prevent flooding. With your foundation complete, your bed is ready for soil and planting. A perfect start for a thriving garden. Cut landscape fabric to cover the drainage pipes, tucking edges to prevent soil from falling in. Use a light, moisture-wicking potting mix. Add peat moss or coir for best results. Pack some moist soil between the pipes to create wicking columns that draw water up. Fill the rest of the bed with your soil mix, tamping gently to remove air pockets. Trim excess liner and fabric for a neat finish. Fill the reservoir through the tube until water trickles from the overflow. For the first time, water the soil from above to settle it and help roots establish. Your self-watering system is now ready for planting. Enjoy less maintenance and healthier plants. Let's get planting. Your self-watering bed is perfect for moisture-loving veggies like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and leafy greens. Herbs like basil and mint thrive here too. Just avoid drought-loving plants. After initial top watering, simply keep the reservoir filled. Frequency depends on weather and plant needs. This system is ideal for patios, balconies, or community gardens. Anywhere daily watering is tough. Consistent moisture means bigger harvests in less space. You'll save water, reduce disease, and spend less time on chores. No expensive kits or special skills needed, just a few materials and an afternoon's work. Embrace the freedom of a self-watering garden. Watch your plants thrive with minimal effort. Give it a try and enjoy a smarter, easier way to garden.